Hey boys and girls, we're back with another unboxing, and I have a feeling these are going to be the books that we're going to use for our book bash. Now in classes we've talked about we have a 2nd and 3rd grade book bash, and then we have a 4th and 5th grade book bash. This is an online, self-paced virtual book club. What it means is that our students in 2nd and 3rd grade are going to be reading the South Carolina Picture Book Award nominees. For each book that they read, they will then submit a book review or trailer that may or may not be used on the morning news show. Then, they will get a badge from me showing that they've read the book. When they read 10 books off of that 20 book list, then they can get an award from me at the end of the year, and they get to vote in the South Carolina Picture Book Awards. Same thing for 4th and 5th grade, except they're going to be looking at the South Carolina Children's Book Award nominees. These are chapter books, and so there's almost 20 on the list that we have in the library right now, and these are the books that we've purchased for that purpose. And for the 4th and 5th grade book bash, they will read 5 books and submit 5 book reviews, and then they'll get the badge. And if they read 5 of the books, then they can vote for them on the South Carolina Children's Book Award nominees, and we'll get an award from me at the end of the year. So that being said, let's look at these books and see what we've got. We have this first little package. It's kind of hard to open. And this is going to be one of the Children's Picture Book Award nominees, and it's A Voice Named Aretha, a biography about Aretha Franklin. This is a big box. There's going to be a lot of books in here. So let's look at this. The first one we have is Lifeboat 12. We have 2 copies of this because we want our students to be reading this, and I want them to be able to check them out from the library. So there's Lifeboat 12. This would be in the 5th and 4th grade book bash. There's The Bridge Home. When Stars Are Scattered. All the Impossible Things. More to the Story. Sweeping Up the Heart. Now I did add a few books to the 4th and 5th grade book bash that were in that category of the Children's Book Award, and this is one of them that's not on the South Carolina Children's Book Award nominees, but is an excellent book with great reviews. Night Books. Strange Birds. Hold on, I've got to get some of this packaging off over here, and it's kind of going everywhere. Once Upon an Eid. Scouts. Saving Winslow, and another copy of Night Books. Song for a Whale. Stay. This is our 2nd copy of Stay. This is a very popular book, and it's on the Children's Book Award nominees for this year. Pay Attention, Carter Jones. Strange Birds, another copy of that. Another copy of Scouts. Another copy of Song for a Whale. Another copy of The Bridge Home. Some Places More Than Others. Letty Out Loud and Manana Land. Now most of these are going to be from the Picture Book Awards. I do have 1 or 2 extras that I picked up that go with one of the authors that I get a lot of requests for. So we'll do those at the end. But in the meantime, these are for the 2nd and 3rd grade book bash, or the South Carolina Children's Picture Book Awards. When a Kid Like Me Fights Cancer. Equity's Call, the story of voting rights in America. Sumo Kitty. This one, I got to actually hear the author speak about this book in March of 2020, and this is a great book. Madeline Finn and the Shelter Dog. The Proudest Blue. Nobody Hugs a Cactus. Carl and the Meaning of Life. First Day Critter Jitters. And Pax, Strength in Numbers. We had the rest of the children of the Picture Book Award nominees we had already purchased last year. So this is to fill in any of the gaps that we had on that list. And then two others that I got. Our students love Jory John, and he wrote the Good Egg, The Bad Seed, and he's got some other books. His newest one is called Cat Problems, and we love pets here. Our students especially love pet books like about cats and dogs, so we had to get that one. And then the last one is Something's Wrong, A Bear, a Hare, and Some Underwear. And this just gives us more books by Jory John to allow students to really do an author study and look at the way the author writes and look at that craft. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's book unboxing, sorry, not book boxing. And we can't wait for you to start reading these, and for you guys who have signed up to be a part of the Book Bash, our virtual online self-paced book club, these are going to be ready in the library soon.